Welcome to the exciting world of web development with UIDaddy. Here, we'll take you on a journey to explore the powerful features and tools that make UIDaddy the ultimate choice for web developers. To get started, please follow these simple steps. First, click on this GitHub link, https://github.com/UIDaddy/HMI external. It will take you to the GitHub page for HMI external. Once you're on the GitHub page, click the fork button. This will create a copy of HMI external in your own GitHub account. Uncheck copy the develop branch only. After forking, go ahead and create a new branch within your newly forked repository from UIDaddy Develop. You can do this by clicking the branch button and giving your branch a name. That's it. You're now ready to work on your own version of HMI external. After finishing the previous steps, follow these simple instructions. Visit UIDaddy.com and log in using your GitHub account. To create your own project, click on the Add Project button. Fill in the required fields as indicated, project name, description, and copying the GitHub URL and branch name. Then click Save. Now, you can easily add a new page by clicking on the Edit Form button. Next, let's create a demo login page. Start by clicking on the page icon located on the left side toolbar. Then, click on Add New Page. You can name this new page Login and save. Congratulations! You've just created a page named Login. Now, take a look at the 4 specific fields available: header, footer, body, and nav. These are where you can add content to different parts of the page. For our login page, we'll focus on the body field. Let's add some content there. Now, let's see how easy it is to work with UIDaddy. Alright, once you've created the login page, set the application properties. Go to Application Properties in the left side toolbar and provide an application title. For our video, we'll use Demo as the title. This title represents the entire application. Now explore the Layout option in the left toolbar. Take the form from there and place it inside the body. Next, grab the content from the layout and put it within the form. To bring in the necessary elements, go to Widgets on the left toolbar. Start by dragging the static text into the content area for your static login text. Then, one by one, add the email field, password field, button, and link right below the static text. Next, let's customize the static text element. Click on the static text element, then go to the basic properties in the right side toolbar. Give it a name. For this video, we'll use login text. Now, under Special Attributes, set the value for the text. In this case, we'll use login. Now let's configure the email and password elements. Give them the names email and password respectively. For the email element, set its special attribute to enter your email. And for the password element, set its special attribute to password. For the button element, we'll name it Login Button and set its label to Login. As for the link element, we'll name it Forget Password Link and label it as Forget Password. To save your progress, simply click on the Save and Build button. Please note that it may take a few minutes to build, especially the first time. Now, if you check your dashboard, you'll notice the status is in progress. Once the build process is successfully completed, if you refresh the table, you'll see the status change to completed. To see the final result, click on the deployment link. Then, add a slash in the page name at the end. In our case, the page name is Login. Let's enhance the look of our login page by adding some CSS to make it look more professional. Start by clicking on the form. Then go to the right side toolbar and locate the Custom Class field under the Layout. Type Section Card Dark Center into this field. Section Card Center class is built-in feature. After applying the custom class, click on Signup Draft. Now, head back to the dashboard. We would initiate the build process from the dashboard this time by clicking on Build. Wait for the build process to complete. Once it's finished, don't forget to refresh the login page to see the updated and more professional appearance. Now, if you're facing visibility issues with the login text on a black background, we'll address that next. Let's add some custom CSS to style the text and make it visible. Let's explore how to add custom CSS to any element. Go to the Layout section and type the name of the class you want to use in the Custom Class field. For our example, we'll use Element Child as the class name. Next, click on Add New Style and modify the class name according to your preferences. You can click on Property and Value to change the property name and value according to your needs. To add a new property, simply click on Add New Property. To apply CSS to the static text element, start by clicking on the static text element. Then, go to the Layout Properties. In the Custom Class field, enter the class name Element Child. Now, let's add the following CSS properties: a margin bottom of 35 pixels and a font size of 30 pixels. Moving on to the dynamic style child of the static text element, this class is a child of the static text element. Apply the following CSS properties: text align center and a white color. Similarly, for the login button in the custom class field, use login BTN. Add a margin top of 20 pixels. The dynamic style child class of the login button should have a width of 100%. Now for the Forgot Password layout, apply a margin of 10 pixels and justify Content Center. After making these CSS adjustments, click on Save Draft. Then initiate the build process. Once the build is completed, refresh the login page to see the applied changes. We hope you enjoy creating amazing UIs with UIDaddy. Please feel free to drop your questions in the comment section.